So, choosing a company to work with on your project is a very difficult one. Whether it's a simple project like re-landscaping a front yard, or something that's completely complex, like when you're building a new home and you're designing the landscape from start to finish. We're able to help you design your landscape project from start to finish, like picking the right plants for sun and shade, picking the right plants for screening and privacy, but also picking something that won't outgrow the space for you. Also, our ability to help pick plants that when they grow and fill in, it creates a beautiful space, but doesn't end up feeling like it's an overgrown jungle. Our team of designers and office staff, as well as our crew that do the work, are well versed in helping you pick out what works best for you, for your space, so you can spend many years enjoying it. So our company, as well as our team, has been certified by many manufacturers in all form of construction practices. We are a master certified pond builder and water feature builder. So we have been certified by Aquascape, which is the premier manufacturer of all pond and water feature supplies. As well as my whole team spends countless hours in classes training every year. They take seminars, they go to group training events to make sure we can create the ultimate outdoor space for you. And it includes your fish, as well as all the aquatic materials we are going to need. Just so you have a heads up, we are Long Island's premier pond and water feature builder. When you're looking for a company to work with, one of the biggest issues you are going to face is trying to figure out, who is this company? Are they reliable? Will they do what they're going to say? What will this cost me? And how do we come up with what we're looking for if we don't even know what we're looking for? Well, with today's technology, most of those questions can be answered very easily. If you asked me this 5 years ago, how you can find out more about me, it was a little more difficult. I'd probably send you a review that someone wrote up for us, or I'd give you a small brochure that we had made up to kind of tell you a little bit about us. But that was really the limits of what you had. Have you gone on our Facebook page? Have you looked at our Instagram account? Have you checked us out on YouTube or TikTok? All of those places have pictures, information about us, reviews from clients. Have you gone to Google? Have you checked out our business page where people leave us reviews? There's close to about 100 of them on there. So you could read them and really find out more about us through those areas. Those are really great ways to find out about who you're going to be working with and learn more about them. All of those ways will give you a more in-depth look at who we are. So today, I'll tell you different things than I would have told you a couple years even ago. Have you gone to our YouTube channel and checked out our videos? Because if you're looking to have something done, I'm pretty certain we have a video up there to help you. Like if you're looking to have artificial and turf installed, I have many videos up there showing you the product, how the process is done, what it looks like, and what it looks like when it's finished. If you're having a landscape project installed, same kind of thing. I have no idea what this is going to look like, Scott. How can you help us? Well, we'll send you a video, or we'll have you go and look and you can see projects, whether it's a small one or a large one, and see the process. You'll probably also meet our employees along the way in the videos. Some might be a little weird and quirky, but that's why we like them. So for the client looking to have a pond or water feature built, that's probably the hardest one for us to help you figure out what it's going to look like. Because honestly, most of that's up here. It's all about having an artistic eye and looking at something and trying to figure out how we're going to build it. So YouTube's a great way where I'll send you videos of what a small pond looks like, what a medium pond looks like, what a large pond looks like, what a pondless waterfall looks like. Now you might go, what is a pondless waterfall? Good question. We have videos for that. You can go on our YouTube channel, find tons of information, learn about us, learn about our company, learn about our employees. All are a great way for you to kind of find out more about who we are and kind of build that confidence in us. So the funniest and most interesting comment I get these days from new clients who are meeting us is when they say, wow, it's you. And I say, yes, of course it is. And then they say, well, we just finished watching all your videos and I feel like I know you already, which is probably one of the best things I can hear, because instead of having to try and sell you on who we are and teach you who we are and get through those initial hard steps of trying to make that connection with you, you've probably already figured that out and come to your own conclusion. So instead of us trying to figure out how we can help each other, I can get right to the point and coming up with something amazing for you. That's a huge difference these days. Whether it's designing a backyard that includes an amazing patio with an outdoor kitchen space and a covered patio to sit on, or some kind of landscaping to give you multi-seasons of color to your home, or creating some kind of pond that you're going to be able to sit outside, feed your fish, let your kids dangle their feet in the pond and not want to leave the backyard for hours. So when someone asks me what separates us from other companies, I'm going to say it's that. What other companies have you met that will send you videos about them and their company and their employees, or have a full line of projects and pictures available for you to look at on your own time? Not many. We do it because we care, and ultimately for me, the most important part is having a happy client that wants nothing other than be able to talk about us and their amazing project they had done with us and how happy they are that they picked us over someone else. That's my ultimate goal. So I hope that one day I'm able to sit down with you after the job is complete, no matter what the project is, ask you some questions, and get a referral from you because you couldn't think of picking another company to help you with your project. If so, I think we'd be a great fit.